teach the kids what they did not know, and they cannot give the kids what they want, and they cannot teach the kids bad money habits.
Wow!
They have to teach the kids good money habits. They have to teach the kids about don't waste money. And the kids must save money.
What do you like the most from those things that you have mentioned? Number one,
Yeah.
read it again.
About the parents cannot teach the kids what they did not know.
Can you explain what's the meaning of that?
It means you cannot teach the kids if you don't know what it is.
Oh, like in handling money?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So, are you happy? You read the book?
Yeah.
What's my reward?
Give me 20 pesos.
20?
200 pesos.
100 pesos? Okay, sige. I'll give that 200.
When?
No.